Hello viewers, in this model we are going to discuss what are the solutions for question number 3 and question number 4 in fractions and decimal and rational numbers. So here what is our third question is add all the fractional values which are given here at in row wise and column wise and diagonals wise and check whether they are equal or not. So here column wise means from top to down values are vertical lines are columns which are there from left to right, that are rows, and which are under diagonal wise, that is diagonals which are there in crossed. So our first one is, so what is our first number? So we're going to add in the manner of column wise. So what are the columns? C1, sum of that all values are C1. So here 6 by 13 plus 3 by 13 plus 12 by 13. So what is that addition of all the values are? So here down all the values are equal, then LCM will be 13. So what we'll write here is down 13, add all the numerators. This all are like fractions. What is meant by like fractions is, so here down for given fractions, denominator value is equal at the same, then we can say that all given fractions are like fractions. So here, so like fractions, so directly we can add all the numerator values. 6 plus 3 plus 12. So what is that is 6 plus 12 plus 3 will be 15. 15 plus 6 will be 21 by 13. That is sum of the column 1 values. Next, what is the column 2 values is 13 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 1 by 13. So these all are like fractions. So here 13 plus 7 plus 1 will be 13 plus 7 will be 20. 20 plus 1 will be 21 by 13. Next, what are the values which are there in column 3? That sum will be what? Sum means addition. Column 3, 2 by 13, 11 by 13, 8 by 13. So here like fractions 13, then what is this value is? So 2 plus 11, 8 plus 2 will be 2 plus 11 plus 8. 8 plus 2 will be 10. 10 plus 11 will be 21 by 13. So these are the sum of our additions of column wise. Additions column wise. Next. Then we'll do in row manner. So what is the row side is? So here row means first row R1. R1 will be equal to 6 by 13 plus 13 by 13 plus 2 by 13. So I am taking from left to right all the values in the given thing. So what is that? Like a fraction 13. 6 plus 13 plus 2. So 6 plus 2 will be 8. 8 plus 13 will be 21 by 13. Then R2. 3 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 11 by 13. So here 13. 3 plus 7 plus 11. 3 plus 7 will be 10. 10 plus 11 will be 21 by 13. Then R3. 12 by 13 plus 1 by 13 plus 8 by 13. So what it is? 13. 12 plus 1 plus 8. So what are these values? So here 12 plus 1 will be 13. 13 plus 8 will be 21 by 13. So we are added all the columns wise and row wise. They are getting the equal values. Then we have to check in the diagonal manner. What is meant by diagonal manner is, so here in diagonal means crossed lines which are bearing like this. So crossed side. So what is the diagonal? Sum of the diagonals is D1. Let's take D1. 6 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 8 by 13. So 13, 6 plus 7 plus 8. So 6 plus 7 will be 13, 13 plus 8, 21 by 13. Then D2, diagonal 2, 2 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 12 by 13. So what it will? 13. So 2 plus 7 plus 12. What is that is? 2 plus 9, 9, 12, 21 by 13. So what we are getting is all the values, if you add row wise, column wise, and diagonals wise also, all the values will be equal to each other. Then that one is the conclusion, that all the values are equal to each other. Our next question, fourth question is, what is our fourth question? They are given a rectangular and they are given length and breadth of that rectangle, length and breadth of that rectangle, and we have to find perimeter. So let's take the triangle rectangle ABCD. Rectangle ABCD. What is the perimeter of rectangle? So here will be length and this will be breadth. So length as 2 by 3 centimeters and breadth as 1 by 5 centimeters. So here perimeter, what is the formula of perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L is what here is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus length breadth is 1 by 5. So 2 into 2 by 3 will become 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 will be 17. 17 by 3 plus 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 will be 16. 16 by 5. So 2 into what it is, so we need to take LCM of 3 and 5. So LCM of 3 and 5 will become, what is that? 15. So for getting 15, how much we need to multiply with 3 is 5. So for that 5 should be multiplied with 17. 17 into 5 plus 3 into 16. So 2 into 17 5 is 85. Then 16 3 is 48. So 48 by 50. So it will be 2 into, so what it will be, 2 into here, what it is 85 plus 48 will become, so 8 5 will be 13, 1 will be there, 8 4 12 13. So 133 15 by 15 by 15. So 2 what it will be, so 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are by 50. So that is the 266 by 15 will get. So what is the nearest multiple? If you can express this into mixed fraction also, how it is just we need to 266 by 15. So we're going to do that. So what it will be is, so here 1, 1, so 11. So how you can write this as into mixed fraction is 17, 11 by 15. So 17, 11 by 15 centimeters. So like that we can write. So what is the perimeter of rectangle is 17, 11 by 15 centimeters. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe.